Hello, fellow safe unlocking masters from around the world. I'm a safe tool manufacturer from China. The name of our product is Grandmaster. What you're looking at now is the Dormakaba 71111 tool, which is our upgraded product. I believe some of you will find these images familiar. This is our first generation product, which has sold over 1,000 units worldwide. It has been discontinued now. These are the small boxes used for holding combination key blades. They look familiar, right? These are the key blades for Dormakaba 71111, designed for use with combination keys. After the tools are debugged and assembled, they will be sent to customers in Hong Kong, Malaysia, the UK, and the USA. We are the source factory, and we ship via International Express. We can customize tools specifically for you based on the locks you send, and provide tool opening tutorial videos. We look forward to cooperating with you.